Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Infinix Xband, and on this video we are going to explore one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So we have it here. So we will check this if it will work with our favorite applications such as YouTube Music. We also have here the YouTube and the Spotify app. So we'll test the feature and see if it works with these applications. So if you are interested to see the Bluetooth music control in action, watch this video, and again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth music control function of the Infinix Xband. So let's start with Spotify. Let's adjust the volume first to avoid any copyright issues. Let's open the app. Okay, so we have here a song collection from Air Supply. Then let's open the Bluetooth music control function here. Hopefully it works. So let's start with this one, Making Love Out of Nothing, and as you can see, it's playing. Let's see if we can control this. Stop. Okay, it is working. Next. More Than Words. Yes, it is working also. Next. Seems like the control here or the connection is very stable, and as you can see here, it changes right away. The only issue here, I think, is that we don't have the title of this song, so we are not sure if, or we will not know if what is the song that is playing. Okay, we don't know the title, but we do have the volume control here. You can stop, you can play, you can go forward to the next song. So it works here with our Spotify application. Next, let's have the YouTube Music. Hopefully it also works with the YouTube Music. Again, we'll mute the sound here just to avoid any copyright issues. So let's pick a song here. Let's wait for it to load. How about this one? Let's play. Go to the next song, Lose Control. Next. Go back. Next. Play. Stop. Play. Next. Next song. Next. Go back. Stop. Okay. Stop. Yes, it works with our YouTube Music, including the go forward and go backward. Very good so far for our Infinix Xband, except that we don't have a name of the song here on the fitness tracker. Okay, then the last one, let's have the YouTube app. Let's see. Play. Let's adjust the volume. Can we adjust the volume? Yes, it works, as you can see here. Yeah. Going back. Stop. Next.
This is Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, the War and Peace Report.
Stop. Next. Still, we don't have the title, but it can control the YouTube app. We can go back, play, and
this is Democracy Now!,
adjust
democracynow.org,
the
the War and
volume.
Peace Report. I'm Amy Goodman with Juan Gonzalez.
So it works
This is Democracy Now!
with the YouTube application so far.
This is Democracy Now!, democracynow.org.
Okay, let's change. Stop. Go. Okay, seems like our internet connection is play. Again. Next. Stop. Go to the next
This is
video.
Democracy Now! Welcome to Democracy Now! Welcome to Democracy.
Okay, it's all news here.
Welcome.
I'm looking for other video here. Next. Stop. Okay, so it works perfectly with our YouTube application. So there's no issue when it comes to controlling the video or the music on the smartphone with our Infinix Xband. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.